Hello guys, I'm Lemon. Welcome back to another video of oops, NG. No, let's do it again. Hello guys, I'm Lemon. Welcome back to another video of Demon Slayer Tower Defense. Today we're gonna play the movie mode. Let's go. Game starter. Boo. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Ta-da! Boo. No more. Oh, this music. Don't know how to explain my feeling of this. First thing first, steal grandma first. Ninja. Put. Wait, I'm gonna check something. Is this the... what? The other end has a demon too. Why? Let's see if the other side of the train has demon too. No, if it has, it must be a harder one. I'm glad it didn't have, but still, I love it only with one hole. I feel like I die. Yeah, why? Hey. A doctor there and you go there, thank you. Wow, he just died so fast. I like it, but I hope it worked well. Treasure. Where's the treasure box? Did you see that? It's gone. I wonder what's a wheel. What's a wheel, this guy? Why is he not doing things? Hey, you doing things. Oh my gosh, his face is like, I don't need to do things. Leave it to the girl. No, leave it to the girl. That doesn't make sense. See, the girl's doing well, but not the boy. I mean, some of the boy doing well too. Put the naughty boy there. Oh, what is this? Another naughty boy. Hey, turn around, this boy. Piggy boy. So I'm... money. Lovely. I see we put the piggy boy there too. Right. And now we're just gonna wait. Oh, we still have one. Yeah, sure. Put the doctor there, and then we have 1,000 and I can't read it because it just keep changing. Let's level up the grandma. Do. Who is laughing? About me? About my genius? Not really. I mean, yes, I am. I didn't say nothing, okay? Boo. That's better. Now I'm gonna level up. Do you hear that? Da. I'm not pretty good at copying sounds, but still, level up the doctor. Another doctor. Do you hear it sound like bah? Uh-oh, some of mine guy just died. No. Oh no, you don't. Stop it right there. I want you to stop. Oh, I can have another one. Where's my girl? Hey, boy, why don't you protect girl? Oh, never mind that. level up the doctor. Still do not enough money. Ooh, my tummy is hungry. Hi, what's up? Hello. Okay, now level up you. Oops. Ta-da, that's better. And then another doctor is you. Hello, you. I think one of mine just get killed by who? Let's go and check after we level up. Okay. Uh-oh. Phew. Haha, the boy get killed. Never mind, I just put a girl. And now I'm gonna level up all of the girl. Not enough money. It's 6 minutes now. Alright, then we are talking about this another video. Okay, bye.